Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to set up flexible pattern URL redirect in HubSpot. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to hubspot.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your main HubSpot dashboard where you can access all the tools and settings you need. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top of the screen. You'll see a gear icon located in the upper area of your dashboard. This gear icon is your gateway to all the settings and configurations within HubSpot, so click on it to proceed. This will open up the settings panel where you can customize various aspects of your account. Once the settings panel opens, look over to the left side of the screen. You'll notice several sections listed vertically in the menu. Scroll through these options until you find the section labeled Tools. This is where HubSpot groups together all the technical and advanced features that help you manage your content and website infrastructure. Within the Tools section, locate and click on Content. This will expand to show you additional options related to how your content is managed and displayed. From these expanded options, click on Domains and URLs. This is the specific area where you can control how your domains behave, including redirects, URL structures, and other domain-related settings that affect how visitors access your content. After clicking on Domains and URLs, you'll be taken to a new screen with various domain management options. Here, look for and click on Advanced Options. This section contains more technical features that give you greater control over your domain configurations, including the ability to set up flexible pattern URL redirects. Once you're in the Advanced Options area, you'll see an option labeled New System Redirect Domains. This is where you can add custom redirect domains that follow specific patterns. Go ahead and click Add New Domain to begin setting up your flexible pattern redirect. This will open up a form where you can input the necessary details. In the form that appears, you'll first need to input a subdomain to redirect from. This is the original URL or subdomain that you want to redirect visitors away from. Type in the subdomain exactly as you want it to appear, making sure there are no typos or errors. Next, you'll see a field where you need to select a domain. Use the drop-down menu or input field to choose the destination domain where you want the traffic to be redirected. This is where visitors will land after the redirect takes place, so make sure you select the correct domain that matches your intended destination. After you've entered both the subdomain and selected your domain, click the Save button to finalize the setup. HubSpot will process this information and apply the flexible pattern URL redirect to your account. Give it a moment to save the changes, and once that's done, your redirect will be active and ready to route traffic according to the pattern you've configured. And that's it. You've successfully set up a flexible pattern URL redirect in HubSpot, allowing you to manage how traffic flows between your domains more effectively. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.